Let's say you have your own drivers in the vehicles and you need to efficiently manage all those routes. So for that purposes, we as a Senpex launched a completely new product, which is called In-House Logistics Software as a Service. So this is purpose for that. You will have a special management panel where you can schedule all the routes, and the driver app where your drivers can download our app and just based on schedule routes you give into those drivers can cover those deliveries, and you will track all that delivery process. To get that to be done, so basically you need to just actually request this, register as a in our system, or request write down as a request for in-house logistics. Through that form we can activate that feature. But let's say we already activated for a special account that we have, and I'm showing how the system works. So you're logging to the main dashboard. So basically, this is how the main dashboard. So we have like the Senpex dashboards where you can actually schedule all those routes, and the Senpex driver can be assigned for executing those deliveries. Or it's already activated. We have here feature like in-house logistics. So this is for the purpose of your managing your own drivers and your fleet of the drivers, right? So for that purposes, this is actually the main dashboards of the in-house logistics, where you can actually create as a single route, or you can actually create a bulk order options. You can create the drivers, and you can track see the list of the scheduled routes as an active orders, completed orders, or repeated orders here. Okay, now for the in-house logistics, let's schedule one route. So for example, you want to schedule something, the pickup from your warehouse, let's say from Stanford, that goes to the drop-off address to the, let's say, to airport in San Jose. We have here option like schedule the next pickup or next drop-off. Let's say pick up here, drop off here, and then drop off everything to goes to the Milpitas, right? You can actually upload the Excel file as well, and then click on continue button. You can actually put here the value, the size if it's needed, and then click continue. Continue. You have here for the drivers three options. So one option is like urgent delivery. So that means this route needs to be executed by your driver like as soon as possible. Second option we have, let's say you want your driver will come tomorrow, let's say for specific date and time, and cover those deliveries, and you click on the continue button. Or with third options is repeated weekly. So what that means, you want those drivers repeatedly make those deliveries happen. Let's say every Tuesday, every Wednesdays, you want at 10 a.m. those drivers can cover those deliveries. You can select as a repeated order and just make those deliveries. But anyway, right now, let me just schedule for like as an urgent and click on continue button. So here you need to add like shipping information, like 2 boxes. You can actually be careful, the drivers. You can actually put here the names, let's say John and the phone number, Adam and the phone number, um, Wyoming and the phone number. So and just deliver instruction, click on the continue button. So here the system will show you the current the balance that you have, and we're deducting from this route just 2 stops, right? Just 2 balance. So you will have 41 stops. On click on the schedule the routes, and after schedule routes has been scheduled, so you can click on track your order. So when the track the order has been done, this is actually the main interface where you can go here. You have here option either like again create the driver or just assign your own drivers. But let me, before just assigning, let me actually show how the drivers app is works. You need to go to your phone to its Play Store and type here Senpex. So when you type the Senpex, so we have here like Senpex Courier and Senpex Client. You need to definitely download, or your driver is supposed to download the Senpex Courier app, right? But before, like he can actually download and just sign in to the profile you created. But before doing this, so I will just forgot to mention to you that you as a dispatch person is supposed to go to the in-house couriers and create a new courier for that driver. So when you create that, or if you have seen, so click on the courier, you can actually fill this form, and your driver will automatically get a text message with the apps that's supposed to be downloaded. But let's imagine I already created this as an app, as a driver. So let me actually log in with that. So let me log in with this app that I do have. So I'm just putting here the driver's email address I created. Let's say anar courier one at senpex.com and whatever password I just created. I'm logging to the profile. So when you just profile as a driver logging, the first piece, you need to click on the Go Online button. So where you can actually see the available, assigned, the completed orders. So mainly the driver is supposed to check always like assign orders where all the routes has been scheduled for that driver, right? And so me as a dispatcher, I'm going, so from the driver's perspective, everything is set it up. Right now, I need to just create this driver, and when the drivers already did it, so me as a dispatcher person, I need to go in-house logistics, go to in-house orders. Let's say I schedule this route, okay? And here I do have option, just assign, let's say the NR's courier as a driver, which I already created. So when I assign this driver, so system will automatically notify the driver that order has been assigned. See, and I'm getting also the notification as a text message notification for accepting this route, and that's basically how that works. So on the as a dispatcher, I'm just tracking all the delivery process. I see where's the driver, so driver needs to pick it up from point A and make those multiple deliveries. And me as a driver, I need to again go to the assign orders and check the dates that we have. Let's say on Wednesdays, whatever routes we schedule for today, this is the route, right? Two boxes I created. I see here the list of the routes need to be delivered. I click on show more location. For each location, I see the name of the person. If I click this red icon here, and let's say I want to start the process, right? I swipe here, arrive to the pickup location. So when I arrive to the pickup location, whatever parcels, whatever parcel I picked up, so I'm just taking the picture and basically whatever parcel I picked up and uploading to the so when I'm uploading to the app, I'm swiping here as a driver picked up. So I'm just confirming, yes, I picked up. So here, you as an dispatch, you can also manage all that process. First of all, if you go to the active orders here, you will see this route has been scheduled. You can click on the order details and you will see the driver's location where he is right now. He's already picked up here and it shows here picked up, already picked up. You click on the picture, you see the picture, whatever items has been picked up, and all those pictures you can also see in here. So you can actually see the driver's name here. You can manage and just chat with the driver. Hello, where are you? And the driver will also get an automatic notification through the app about the chat options that you just send as a notification, right? So, so this actually the chat options that hello, where, and thank you. So you can communicate as well. But let me proceed as a driver first. So how again I go to the assign orders, the routes I already have it. Me, I can actually see the addresses. I click on the navigation small button here and click select which mapping I want to, or I want to see like in San Jose, the name of the person is supposed to call, right? And then when I arrive to San Jose location, I swiped, arrive to the pickup location, doing the same. I'm taking the picture, whatever parcels I picked up or delivered to that destination, swiping, delivered. So when I will swipe delivered, so basically system upload that picture as well. You can, as a driver, click on the more show more location. You will see that it's picked up the first step, they completed the second step. Now you're in the transit to the next step, right? So let's say I'm driving to see actual on the driver's side. So it shows that I need to go to the driver's step 3. So as a driver, I'm swiping here, arrive to the last destination in Milpitas. I'm taking again, so if I swipe actual delivered, system will not allow you to do that as a driver because of you need to take a picture. So if I'm taking the picture and uploading to the app and then swiping that is pick delivered, so system will show on the driver app that you successfully completed the routes. You will get a notification as well, and on the completed orders, you will see the order has been completed. So this actually, you will see the pictures as a driver, whatever you completed. You will see the show more location or list of the routes. The same from the dispatch side. So if you go again to the order details, you can actually refresh either to the same order that you have. You already assigned the driver driver. So you can see here the pictures, whatever deliveries has been done. And then, so basically, you in my in-house orders, you will go to completed orders, whatever routes has been finished. You can generate the here this route again, just track and all the details. Yes, so and also track all the balances here. So this is basically how the in-house logistic process works. For more demo and the questions, please feel free to contact us through the Senpex website. Thank you very much.